When we invest money, we have two objectives in our mind with our investment. Objective one, which is to grow your capital, to appreciate your wealth over your investment, and objective number two, which is to protect your capital. Now, both these two objectives cannot be met with one investment. So, therefore, you may have heard people saying that diversify your investment, and let's put it that way, we have heard this since our childhood, that don't put all your eggs into one basket. Now the question is, which kind of investment which will help you to protect your capital? I have made separate video on equity mutual fund which explains that how equity mutual fund helps you to grow your wealth, to appreciate your capital. But this video we are going to answer how you can invest and where you can invest, which helps you to protect your wealth. Hello everyone, this is Tulsi and welcome to my channel The Wealth Sarathi, where I share the financial wisdom which helps you to grow your wealth and be financially wise. Now the question which we need to answer in this video is, which is the financial instrument which helps you to protect your capital? And that financial instrument, it is debt mutual fund. Now you would say that why I have to invest? If I just want to protect my capital, I would just let it be staying in my bank account, or I will just simply do a bank FD and that way I will have my capital safe. Which is right, you can do that, but however, those investment, when you first of all, when you keep your money sitting ideally in your bank account, it is not called investment. And second, if you put in the bank FD where you get 6-7% annual interest depending on your bank, they are not inflation proof, because by the time you will get the maturity on those investment, your inflation would have eaten away all your profit made from those investments anyways. So what we going to discover in this video, it is a debt mutual fund. Now what is debt mutual fund, how do they work, and what are the benefits, that we are going to answer in this video. So before we go further, let us first understand what is debt. So debt, as the name suggests, it is party A borrowing money from party B for a fixed duration of a time and with the fixed rate of interest attached to it. Now those debts can be government bond, corporate bond, securities, and etc. So when one, let's say example, for one company wants to do the business and then they need extra money to grow that business, so then they will approach a financial institute or a bank to borrow that money. So that on that same principle debt fund works, and primarily those debt funds are the government bonds, because government also do not need money in order to carry out their day-to-day administration, and for that they also borrow money from financial instruments, and those financial instruments, they collect money from retail investors like us who invest into the debt mutual fund. So this is kind of overall concept the debt mutual fund works. Now in 2018, SEBI classified debt mutual fund in 16 different class, which I will put it up over here for you to take a read at it, and I will make separate videos on each of those class in upcoming days, which will help us to understand each and every debt mutual fund in detail. But in this video we just going to have little introduction over debt mutual fund. So when you invest your money into the debt mutual fund, it will at some extent will protect your capital. Now let me tell you one thing, that there isn't any investment which will give you 100% protection over your capital. It is practically not possible. But in debt mutual fund, your investment risk, it is reduced at a very great margin. Only the chance of your return going away is when the party A who is borrowed money from party B, though it is a bond on a paper with the fixed term duration and with the fixed interest rate, but still at the end of the day it is just a promise. So what if the party who has borrowed the money defaults into the business or defaults onto their agreement, and then they are unable to return the money? That's where we have risk on our capital investment. So now who should invest into the debt mutual fund? So people who are looking for protection over the capital and they are happy with the low risk and low return investment, those kind of people can invest into the debt mutual fund. And if you want to diversify your portfolio and you are an aggressive investment, you are into your mid 30s, early 40s, where you can have about 20-30% of your overall portfolio into the debt mutual fund, and then the rest you can invest into the various aggressive investment vehicles such as equity, stock market, equity mutual fund, crypto, gold, and etc. So I explain like this, that debt mutual fund, it is your foundation of the cake, and then the rest of the other investment, it is your cake decoration and the cherry on the cake. Because if your foundation is strong, if your capital is protected, and then it will give you that extra freedom, that extra confidence to go aggressive into the other various kind of investment instruments which will give you high risk and high return. So I hope this video I was able to explain to you my perspective on debt mutual fund. I will come up with the more videos to explain each and every instrument in detail.